Today we'll be starting a chapter number 3, Factors and Multiples. Factors and multiples is not a new topic. Already you are well aware. Last time we have learned about factors and multiples. Before that we have before starting factors and multiples we will be focusing on our last topic, that is multiple and division. Multiplication and division part are related to it only. So let us recall factors. So let's recall factors of a number are numbers which divide the given number completely without leaving a remainder. This part we have seen in division sums. Whenever any number is divided by a divisor, and if that divisor divides the number completely, you will be seeing that in the last no remainder comes. It means that table is considered as one of the factor for the given number or the dividend. So same way here also we are having factors. So let us recall the definition. Factors of a number are numbers which divide the given number completely without leaving a remainder. Means whenever you try to divide any number, the remainder must be always 0. So when we get the answer as 0, it means we will be giving that number a term as factors. So from the given example 6 and 12, when we check the factors, we are seeing that some factors are common. So 1 and 1 common, right here. 2 and 2 are also common, so here it is. 3 and 3 are also common, so we can say 1, 2 and 3 are common factors of 6 and 12. Whenever we have to write the common factors, we have to make the similarity matching of the numbers from the factors. So just now we have made the matching as 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3. Now when we get the common factors, you see the biggest number in the common factors. So in the common factor 1 2 and 3, 3 is the biggest one or the largest one. So here 3 is the highest common factor, and we give the word as HCF of 6 and 12. We give 3 as HCF of 6 and 12. 3 is called HCF of 6 and 12. This way we can calculate highest common factor. Let us move to next topic, multiples. When we talk about multiples, multiples of a number can be obtained by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. When you say the table, you have already seen, whenever you start a table or whenever you see multiply any number by 1 or any number by 5, any number by 3, any number by 2, you will be getting some answer after multiplication. That answer is considered as multiple. So let us see some example. Multiple of 2 are, so we are aware 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and so on. Same way if we recall multiples of 3 are, so here it will be 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 and so on. So like this we will be completing our, that is multiple. Now again we will be seeing starting, that is the multiple or the common multiple. So starting common multiple will be having the term as least common multiple. Short form of least common multiple will be LCM. So we can say that 6 is the LCM of, that is 2 and 3. Earlier we have seen it was factors, that is opposite, and multiple, it is opposite of factors. So whenever you are having common multiples, and from that common multiples, when you talk about the first number, it will be considered as LCM of the given number. 6 is considered as the LCM of 2 and 3. And when we talk about 6, 12, 18 and so on, they are considered as common multiples of 2 and 3. Common multiples of 2 and 3 means all this number will be occurring in the table of 2 also, all this number will be occurring in the table of 3 also. So this way factors and multiples will be having the relation.